Okay, let's talk about Citi Custom Cash Card, the card that automatically adopts with you. If you are into a credit card game at all, this is probably one of the no-brainer credit cards that you should get. It has no annual fees and earns 5% cashback on a category that you spend the most in a month. The cashback you earn is issued in the form of Citi Thank You points, so it pairs perfectly with the Citi Premier card. For those reasons, I'm going to apply for this card right now. Before we get to the application, let's go through the basics first. Welcome offer. This card earns $200 cash back after you spend $700 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. Not only that, this card also has 0% intro APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfer. But keep in mind, the balance transfer will cost you either $5 or 5% of the amount of each credit card balance transfer, whichever is greater. So how does it earn points? So basically, this card earns 5% cashback on your highest eligible spend categories each billing cycles up to $500 spent and 1% cashback thereafter. This does not require any activation or enrollment. So 5% cashback eligible categories are restaurant, gas station, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, select streaming services, drugstore, home improvement stores, fitness clubs, and live entertainment. So let me give you an example. Let's say you spend like $300 on gas and $200 on restaurant. Even though both of them are eligible categories and it's within $500, you will still only earn 5% cash back on $300 on gas, your highest spend categories, and only earn 1% cash back on restaurant, your second highest category. I hope that was clear. So that basically means this card is best if you use it for only one eligible category for a month. I plan to use this card mainly for home improvement stores and gas station purchases, but it will change on month to month because this card will adapt to my needs. That is super fantastic. So how do you redeem points? This is one of the main reasons why I want to get this card. The cashback is earned as a Citi Thank You points, and since I already have Citi Premier, I can basically combine them and transfer the points to the transfer partners to get outsized value. If you don't want to do that, you can always redeem this for a cashback or statement credits or direct deposit or check. There are so many other ways to redeem the points, including gift cards, travels, Shopwith points, and all that. With all that being said, let's get to the application. If you are not already a Citi member, you'll need to fill out all of this, but since I already have a Citi account, let me just sign in. Let me fill out this information and hit submit. Okay, it's loading and boom, I was approved. Honestly, super happy about that. Looks like I was approved for $4,000 credit limit and 20% interest rate. That is so high. Thankfully, I don't hold any balance, so the interest rate really doesn't matter. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, we can see that my credit score at the time of the application was 763 points, and it was pulled from experience. And as you can see, the card is already in my online profile. Now that I'm approved, let's unbox this thing. Looking for the card. Where's the card? What the? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I thought this envelope had my actual credit card, but instead it said that my card will be here soon. So I guess I have to wait a little bit longer. Alright, finally, the card is here. It's all about you with the Citi Custom Cash. Not gonna lie, even though this card is plastic, this is one of the nicest card I've ever seen. And it's shiny. It's very, very shiny. You can probably see my reflection literally on the card. And it's blue, my favorite color, so I automatically like this card. So this is how the card looks close up. This is how the front looks, and this is how the back looks. Okay, if you are wondering, how do I really keep track of which spend categories is the highest? As you can see, I've already completed the spend requirement. It's no problem at all for me. So as you can see, the front runner right now is grocery, second is the restaurant, and then third is gas station. As I said before, I will only earn 5% cashback on the front runner, which is grocery. All the other ones will be 1%. I mainly did that because I wanted to complete the spend requirement, but in the future, I will look at it, and whichever is the front runner, I will spend the most on that category. With all that being said, let me know if you are planning to get this card. If not, right now Citi Premier has an elevated offer of 80,000 thank you points. So if you want to learn more about that, click on the screen right now to watch that video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.